If you're not tracking and analyzing your Etsy competition, then you're missing out on a huge opportunity to increase your sales and improve your SEO and traffic to your shop. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how the top 1% of Etsy sellers do this and how you should too. If you're interested in this, stay tuned. Let's jump into the example now. For our example for today, we're going to say that we're in the name blanket niche, right? We make baby blankets, we make personalized blankets, whatever it is, we make name blankets, okay? So first thing is go to the search bar, click on search. Second step, go to analytics, click on analytics, and let EverBee pull all the data on this first page and figure out what is ranking. So here we have a bunch of data. We're going to go ahead and sort by monthly revenue in this case, okay? We're going to find a product that's most similar to what we make. We're looking for competition here. So in this case, I've already identified this one. It's a personalized baby blanket. And this is something that I make. Let's say, for example, in our shop, this is competitive listing to mine. So therefore, I want to kind of look at it and analyze it. So as I quickly see, it's been around for 3 years. I see that it's got, this is all the tags they're using. But let's drill in further to this listing. So here, I see that it's got 872 reviews for this one listing. This is definitely a validated product. This is a big revenue driver for this specific shop, and good for them, right? Now, how do I use this to kind of help myself and help my shop? So let's now go to their actual shop. Okay, they do a great job. And I'm just quickly at a glance, we're saying this is our competitor. They got 27,000 sales. Cool. So they're doing some things right. They've got some traction on Etsy. They're definitely doing a lot of things right. And now I want to learn from them. I want to compete with them. I don't necessarily want to go steal all their sales, things like that, right? But we're just a friendly competition, and I want to see what they're doing right so I can kind of make my shop better. I also want to see what basically be improving on to figure out, what we're doing better than them. So what I would do is go ahead and click on analytics. And now we're going to let EverBee do its job, okay? EverBee is going to take all of the data on this first page, and it's actually going to start organizing. It's going to start making some calculations on all of these listings and figure out what is the best selling product specific shop. Okay, so here we are here. So as you see, this one, it's bringing in almost zero revenue. These are not drivers for this shop, but look at this one, right? $3,000 a month in revenue. This is the one we just looked at, and you can see that it's one of their top sellers. So it's a $40 price point, which is awesome. Here are all the tags they've actually used to optimize for their SEO in order to tell Etsy's algorithm, hey, bring me more traffic. And Etsy is just throwing traffic at this listing. And obviously they're converting. So they're doing well. So this is a product that I'm interested in. Okay, so this one's doing $160 in revenue, not necessarily like a top seller for them, but here, check this one out, right? Minky baby blanket. So again, $40 price point. And let's check out what kind of tags they're using. So it's a 6-month-old listing. Here are all the tags they're actually using to optimize their SEO. And, if I'm in this niche, then I'm going to compare, their tags versus what tags I'm using. And I'm going to take the ones that I feel like they're using that I'm not using and maybe just try them out, right? So I can just copy them here. Or you can copy all of them if you really wanted to. I wouldn't suggest necessarily doing that all the time. But overall, this is something that I would definitely be kind of tracking and paying attention to. I'm going to kind of keep going on the list. This one's, again, $2,300 a month in revenue. It's a good product for them, and it's been around for almost a year. Here are all the tags they're using. So yeah, for me, this is a no-brainer, right? If this is my competition, then I want to see what's working for them and what isn't working for them. So I can see that these products that I favorited are working for them. These are top selling products for them. But I could also see, look at all the ones that aren't working for them. Right? Zero sales, right? Very low revenue, some of these products. And that's okay. This is how business is. But we, right, as Etsy sellers, as online entrepreneurs, we don't want to waste time focusing on products that aren't selling hard enough to make a good product. We may as well make one that is in demand and people actually want to buy and they're proven to buy. And that's what everybody just showed you. And you can also see, obviously, the tags that they're using as well. Etsy doesn't show you these tags of other listings. Go ahead and try. There's no way to find these tags. No easy way, at least. So anyway, EverBee shows you these tags, and you can't find these tags anywhere else. EverBee has to actually go through the back end. So you won't be able to get these tags anywhere else. EverBee actually shows you these tags that they're specifically using to rank in the Etsy algorithm and bring in traffic to their shop so they can now convert that traffic into revenue. Okay. So it is definitely beneficial to see kind of what your competition is using for their SEO traffic. let's kind of keep going. So another cool thing you can do is you can go to any of these categories and do the same thing. So if, for example, if they are doing, let's say they have a lot of floral listings, you can click on analytics. When you click on analytics, EverBee is now going to pull all this data on this specific page, right? We just clicked on floral. So it's going to be all floral listings, of course. And we're going to figure out what are the best top selling floral listings, if there are any. Okay, so it looks like they're basically some of the ones that we already saw, and that's fine. Now go ahead and sort by monthly revenue. Okay, and now we're going to just see what are these top selling listings. We already covered these two, and that's awesome. They're still on here. Mickey Baby Blanket, another one here, $2,200 in monthly revenue. Yeah, it's been around for 4 years. Here are all the tags they're using for this specific listing. I mean, if you're in this niche, you just have the ticket to seeing what your competition is selling, seeing how they're getting ranked in Etsy algorithm by seeing their tags. So I would suggest doing this, right? Now, do I suggest going and using this, as a weapon to go and copy all of your competitors' listings? No, it's not a sustainable way to do business, but use it as information, right? Now go take that information and go execute on your shop and execute on your listings and your ranking, your SEO, and actually grow your sales. You will do this. You will find success. So yeah, I mean, overall, I would go and do this for every competitor in your niche and make a list of products you should be selling, make a list of tags that you should be adding to your listings, especially the ones that aren't performing well. And yeah, grow your sales. Guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you haven't signed up for EverBee, it is 100% free to join. So go ahead and do that. And if you could like and subscribe, comment down below, what kind of niche that you're in. If you have any video recommendations, we're always looking for ideas. So, I mean, we do this videos for completely 100% free, and we just want to provide value to our Etsy selling community and help as much as we can. So again, thank you guys so much. I hope this helps, and I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya. Again, EverBee is the best product research tool there is. It's incredibly powerful for figuring out which products to sell on Etsy, which ones you shouldn't sell, which are going to be profitable, which aren't. And there is a free forever plan. So there's 0 credit card required, 0 risk. So sign up in the link in the description below. It's 100% free to join, and I look forward to seeing you guys there.